Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. Can you subscribe? What are you waiting for, my people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can put more videos. You will get the first to notify if you have subscribed here before. Thank you, God bless you. My darling people, today topic about that girl we be say the meme for Abidjan. Now she now want talk about because I first do one video so now I can't really hear the real gist wetin happen to that our sister. So my people the thing e shockalize me, the thing surprise me because jealousy for this life jealousy when they say jealousy e no good. E no good make we no dey jealous each other again, my people. E no good. Okay, see wetin happen to this girl now because of jealousy. So na e friend even same people make dem go payment this girl. E friend, this one no be say na say maybe na man na even maybe na ex-boyfriend. No, na wrong information we fit hear. This one na e friend, na e send people make dem go payment am all because the girl dey see money pass am for Abidjan. I go play voice record more and lis ten to wetin this our brother dey talk, the real story, my people. Friend, all because the girl dey sale pass am, the girl dey see money pass am, na e send boys make dem go payment the girl. Even that boy wey dey follow dance, na this girl, this e friend, so that boy join the people wey payment the girl because the girl hire some boys make dem go payment the girl, her friend, all because e dey see money pass am for ghetto, my people. When they say friends, beware of friends. Friends person this time wey we dey so, in fact I no believe say even true friend dey again. I no believe because friend wey go dey follow you play before any small thing wey be say the way go take react, the way go take behave sef, you go dey shockalize, you go dey surprise say wetin I do this girl, I be no be wetin happen that day she dey vex for me for. You no go know say something dey in mind. Such people, they can poison you, they can make you without you no go know. Mona, beware of friends. They always dey talk this thing. Beware of friends. Just take your husband and your children, just make them your best friend. Make them your best friend because no good friend again. I don't believe say see dey no good friend again. Una not see these two people wey play for 10 years, 10 good years. They shop each other today. You want them to say that 10 years, say no time where we be good time for them that time. Una want tell me like that. But today, they talk their secret, talk what they do hide before. So, my dear people, mona be careful, mona beware of friends. Just see what if friend do person now. See what if friend do person now, all because he see money pass am. He send people make go payment this girl. He send people make go payment the girl. So my people, mona wise, mona dey careful. Friends, we don't see something for friends. Then make to if I dey see all those things, I go dey laugh because friends, beware of friends. Not be everybody will follow you opposite. Now be your friend though. Mona listen to this guy.
This message when I want pass, so give all of you now. Now wetin happen today for Abidjan, for Ivory Coast, all of us dey so. Now the reason why they first they post this thing for my family group chat now because say of the love wey I get for this house. Okay. If not, I suppose not post am for my YouTube page. Now this information I want me all everybody wey dey this house make they listen to this voice note and I go send the video now of what really happen. This girl, a girlfriend sent boys make they go kill girlfriend. Why? Because of jealousy.
Okay.
Later this evening, when police come find and say na girlfriend na kill her, they come back go arrest the girl. They ask her question. Police say why you kill this girl? The girl thought say na because the girl dey see work pass am for ghetto, na make it kill her. Say you too dey see money. You see devil. Jealousy. If they tell some girls say jealousy not good, jealousy dey lead to death, they don't believe. Even boys, some boys they be jealous past girls. Now because of jealousy, now make Adam's children, now make Cain kill Abel. Cain kill Abel for Bible, but why? Because of jealousy. Because of jealousy.
Okay.
The girl they talk say because he girlfriend dey see work pass am for ghetto, na make him kill am. Now, that same girl wey he kill so na from Delta State.
From Delta State.
For Wele, for Delta State for Nigeria. Okay. The girl wey kill girlfriend so, that girl na from Calabar.
From Calabar.
Now, I beg all of you, all the wrong girls wey dey this house, or wey not dey this house, or wey dey outside country, or wey this voice to wanna help me forward and give all the wrongs, all the friends wey dey into streets, or wey dey wrongs, make you that say wise. Say this life, nothing dey. Nothing dey this life, nothing dey. My friend wey witness am for Cocody, the guy that see MC, now he call me this afternoon, say, see what they happen. He say me I call, I say I don't fit come where I dey far. He go back to forward the video, everything wey dey happen. How they get the dance on my key before they go kill her so. The boy wey we say the girl dey dance for him body just now, that boy join people wey kill am. Una see life, una know me, una pussy dey expire. Pussy take the hustle for street now. They value last you go see this Nigeria, even though say you send money give your family, make say build that for you, the land or house you no go see am, they go shop the money how you take get am through your pussy. Jealousy na bad thing. Should not say what jealousy dey cause now. Jealousy na bad thing. Jealousy is a disease. I beg, if you be girl, when we say you dey into rough work, we don't say no easy. If you be girl, we dey into rough work. I beg. Man, they hide who na be from their girlfriends. Trust nobody. I dey cry when I see this video. I dey cry this afternoon. Trust nobody. Trust no fucking body. I beg. For those of us who be saying that not still know me well, my name is MC Loyalty. Go to my.
Una dey see and my people. Una dey see wetin this our brother talk now. Say jealousy na bad thing. Heaviness, no let am enter you. Heaviness, jealousy, e no good. Even this YouTube wey we dey, so beware, be careful of friend, be careful for somebody wey you follow make friend, because the one wan break you down na many pass. The one no wan see you happy na many pass. I don't know wetin we dey jealousy each other for. I don't know wetin we dey wetin we dey want make each other for. And wetin dey this life? Wetin dey? Egena me yaku ayagui. The thing go dey surprise me. Wetin dey this life, my people? Okay, this girl now, you don't make me a friend now. Okay, she now want live this life forever. She not gonna live her forever. Okay, they don't arrest her now. Person make me person and life imprisonment is supposed to give her. Una understand my darling people? Now life imprisonment. Okay, ask me now what is she want gain now for this way she do now? She gain nothing. You're not going to gain anything for what you do now. All because of jealousy, you pay me your own friend. Are you kidding me right now? Like seriously? Mona, be careful for friends. Hey. I don't know how person go tell you now. Mona, be careful. See this one now. Best friend, good friend. Nothing like Bessie for this life, oh. Nothing like Bessie. Bessie not dey. He not dey. If they tell you Mona dey here, he not dey. You know they pretend now, all of them they pretend. Just see the way they take me this girl now. Just see her, my people. So Mona, be careful. I beg my darling people. I use God to beg una. Mona, be careful for friends. Bad friends na in many pass. Nothing like good friends. If they real to see you, I don't know whether I know say some see they, but you know they easy to see good friend they go because the way bad friends got a fool everywhere. Whether they send them come, I don't know. Even this Germany when I did so, if they see say you now here na jealousy can even many pass. Heaviness now here many pass. If you not wear clothes, they will gossip you. If you wear, they'll say you too they buy, and not be their money you take buy them. Not be their money you take buy them. They don't go allow you drink water, me you keep cup. If you go party, you don't carry your children follow body. You tell them say your husband they look am. They'll say they're gonna gossip you. They'll say you they use the man. As if say it consign them. As if say na their brother you marry or na their husband that you marry. Now they go one can tell you how you want to leave your home, my people. So wanna be careful for friends and bad friends too many for this life. Bad friends is too many. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe. Go and subscribe, my people, and share this video for me. Wanna be careful for friends. Bad friends, they're too many. They're too many. Thank you everybody. Now be everybody will follow you play. Now be your friend though. So Mona know that one. Thank you. Bye everybody. Bye.